Welcome back to my channel Mini Teaching. Today I am going to teach you how to write letter D. First we will learn how to write capital letter D. First you must write a standing line, then a left curve. It's D. I will show it one more time. One standing line and one curve, left curve. Now I will show it once more time. One standing line and one left curve. Now we will learn how to write small d. First, if you want to write a small d, you must write a standing line. Then an open curve D. One standing line and one open curve small d. One standing line and one open curve D. Now we will write two letters together, capital N, capital D and small d. First you must write a standing line and a curve. Okay, one standing line and one open curve. Now D for dog, D for doll, D for donut. Now I will show you the sign of D. 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 Now we will learn the sound of D. 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 Practice at home. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, like, and let's see you in next video.